excited. I'm gonna show you guys. I already opened it. That's how the packaging is. They got bubble wrap and everything. I already opened it to make sure it's not damaged. So I can show you guys real quick.
Yo.
Yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Drop the box. And that's the beast right there. That's gonna look sexy. So we have to install that. We gotta put 3M tape on it.
Yeah, it looks good.
And yeah, and we're gonna remove that one over there.
We're gonna remove this.
This one's coming off. My friend Kais is getting this one. Let's sell it to him. And yeah, he's getting it ASAP when he comes through. But I'm gonna go ahead and install this. It's gonna be a beauty right here. Yeah, that's nice. Alright, stay tuned, keep watching, guys. Look at my friend's trunk, it's so dirty, guys. Wow. But he's helping me prepping out. It's tight, right? Nice. Now we gotta add another bottom one. And we'll do the sides. Yeah, I think that should be good. Then the bottom, and then we'll do the sides with the heavy duty. That should be good. That's how the car looks without the spoiler. That's bald. What's up? Alright guys, this is how it looks on the top. It covers all the factory holes, like literally like in this section right underneath, so it's good. Came out perfect. Started to rain. It was raining early, but it's raining again slowly. Now it's drizzling. But we got this done in, before. I wanted to give you guys a tip, but let me show you how it looks. First, you hold these. Alright, so that's how it looks, guys, from the side. And then as you go down from the bottom, it looks really nice because I'm gonna get quad tips soon right there, and it's gonna match. And then of course the V3 is coming soon, guys, so stay tuned and support the channel as you guys do. That's how it looks from the bottom. And I want to give you guys a quick tip. There's like this section right here and this section right here. So when you're installing it, make sure the bottom is gonna like stick right in the edge of the car, the trunk. And from this side, make sure before you install it, just stick the sides over here only first. And this is how much measurement you're gonna have on the sides, alright? So just kind of compare it to it. Same thing on this side. Same measurements right there as the other side. So when you're installing it, before you stick the whole, bottom and top, just run your fingers through it with the spoiler, and the bottom we're gonna stick to it. So as you run the finger with it, you shouldn't have a gap or anything. Because my friend was trying to do it one time, and it took him literally an hour and a half, I think, to do it, because he had to redo it, take it off. But so you just run your finger underneath it, and then make sure actually it's lined up. You'll feel the bumps or gaps in between if you're doing it wrong. But these things right here, they should match up together with that. Same thing on this side. And that's a quick tip I could give you guys. If you guys can line this up, the bottom first, and then the top, just take a 3M tape and peel it off, and you should be good to go. But focus on the bottom first, because that's when you're gonna line it up. Yeah, appreciate the support, guys. And again, quick view again from the back, from the front actually. Yeah, so it is. It's nice. I hope the tip helps you guys out, and stay tuned. I'll make more awesome videos soon. Thanks for watching.